welcome back to another video. My name is Joe Kemp. If you're new here, I am so glad you're here, and I am just gonna be doing a few things around the house, doing some cleaning and some redecorating and planting my herbs and a few things like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure and give it a thumbs up if you do, and if you know of someone else that would enjoy this type of things, then be sure and share this video with them. So I just needed to fix my bed and clean our room, and I had got some new little nightstands from Amazon, and I will try to link them in the description box if I can. And I thought I would put those in. You guys can see them and see if you like them, and they were really affordable, so I would definitely say check them out if they are your style and you are needing new nightstands. bins here in my coffee bar are very mismatched. They're just different bins that I had around here, but I definitely want to get some matching ones sometime, but for now this is just gonna have to do. So that is why they look the way they do. Also, do you guys ever have to like decorate something a few times to figure out what you like? I still am not completely loving what I have here in my coffee bar, but I can always change it anytime I get another inspiration, so that's awesome. I thought I would just give you a little tour of my kitchen and dining room, and y'all can see kind of what I have to work with and a little bit of our house. So I hope you guys enjoy that, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, or leave any comments you might have, and I love reading those and replying to them. So definitely, yeah, let me know what you guys think, and hope you all enjoy this video. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button, and so that you can be notified of any future videos. And thank you guys so much for watching and spending a little bit of your time with me. I really appreciate y'all, and I look forward to chatting with you guys some more. Bye.